Hello friends. You are on the Primary School Activities channel. I'm Hamid teacher. Today, I would like to share with you an airplane video that I enjoyed watching recently. The plane you see here. It flies by flapping its wings and I really like it. Can I make a plane like that too? I thought. Could we do it? Let's make the plane right there together. Will our plane fly like that? Let's move on to our materials now. One piece of A4 paper will be enough for us. Let's get started right away. We'll just start by folding this edge over this edge. Again, we pay attention to the measurement. In all paper folding work, our measurements must be perfect. We open this place right after the folding. We create traces from here in the same way. As I said, it is important to make these traces correctly. Look right after, we're folding it from here to here. Here we fold this corner. But let our inlay be so measured that it covers the corner. Come to this corner. In this way, it was slightly incomplete. I am doing it again. We will do the same in this corner. The more perfect we get these measurements, the more beautiful our plane will be. We're doing your job right here, too. Then we fold it here like normal plane folds. We take this corner again. We fold it here like normal plane folds. After doing this, we turn our plane upside down. We're going all the way here. I want you to pay attention to the size here. Fine-tune their exact midpoints and then fold them. After doing this process, it will come to this point on these edges. Look, I want you to do a fold here and there. We will do the same here. We're going to fold this over here. Look, I fixed this point. I agree with this point here. We have done this as well. Then we fold it like this. After adjusting the balance nicely, we fold this place as well. We turn in reverse. Then we fold it in here. We're folding it in here. Our last process is now we can fold this and move on to making wings. Now I'm translating it like this. I do the same on the other side. Sometimes the wings can slide here. It is necessary to pay attention to this. We made our wings in this way without shifting. Now let's give a slight trace behind that wing. Now it's time to fly. We did 2 of our planes. They are ready to fly. How will they fly? I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, don't forget to click the like button below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe from the bottom right corner. See you in the next video, bye.